Okay, so when you get the shower unit, there's no shelves in it. So I thought this would be a good time to put in some shelves. And what I like to use is these ones here. We've used them before and they work really well. So we've stuck a couple of those on there, and I think that's probably the best idea for the bathroom here, is to stick those on there. I'm going to stick one there for the hairdryer and that as well. And I've got to put a mirror in here. We also installed the hairdryer with a hair straightener thing here as well for Tracy. It's just one of the ones you get from Bunnings that suck on there. They're quite good. As I said, we've used them down the shack and they've been really good. They've never fallen off, so I think they'll be fine for the van, especially on that really good surface. And we did the same in the van here. We stuck one there, and the mirror there as well, all with those things from Bunnings where you got a little thing and you just suck the air out of the back of them. They just use a vacuum to seal it. We also put a 750 watt Nobo heater on the entryway. The reason we stuck it there is because cool air is coming from the door and it can come up past the heater. These are not hot to touch. The heat goes in there, so you can actually have something really close to it. I run the powering behind it down to the power point underneath the seat, because it's got a little box there, and easy enough to get an electrician to stick a power point on the other side of that, and so that way we plugged it in there, and so we've got electric heating for when we're connected to power. And they've got a little motor, only 750 watts, so it doesn't draw a lot. So if you wanted to, you could run the genset. Not that I would. I'd run the diesel heater every day. No worries then. So just thought I'd show you that. We've got the Snowy River van in, the shed's out. So the old Joko went out and the Snowy River in. Certainly a lot higher than the Joko van, that's for sure. So yeah, no, all good. She didn't have much room. I think we've got a couple of 100 mil to spare.